What's up, everyone? GPT-5 is finally out, and OpenAI finally launched the GPT-5 with more canvas and diverse features. So, in this video, we will break down the comparison the GPT-5 versus GPT-4, and will be run to different codes and programs, and let's see that how these two different versions works and perform each other. And so let's start this and let's see how it can capable of and how much. So now we have GPT-5 and GPT-4 open side by side. You can see we have opened two different accounts. So this is the GPT-5 and this is the GPT-4. So now we have some codes that we have just taken from GPT-5 launch video. The first one is the canvas for media. So a canvas application where easily people can drag drop any files, media files. They can be seen. It's work like a canvas thing. Okay. And the second one is the monochrome dithering, because I have already made the dithering app with the much more advanced tools using Gemini. So now we can make or create this and run into canvas so we can see that how it perform. So the first time we'll be using the canvas mode that we have already using in the Gemini. So let's see how GPT or chat GPT perform in canvas mode. So first one, this. So we will simply just drag drop in this GPT-5, and the first one we also drag drop here. So we just simply prompt like read the image and create the app as instructed. Make sure it is runnable into canvas with run code option. Okay, so now I'm just repairing this misspelled things and just simply control A, copy and control paste over there. So we simply run this together and let's see the speed and accuracy. So both are driving into the application programming. You can see side by side, the left one is GPT-5 and the right one is GPT-4. The performance is quite impressive for GPT-5. It's first, you can see, and GPT-4 is taking much time. It's thinking and then writing. It's also finished. You can see it's 127 lines of code for the GPT-4, and for the GPT-5 it almost crossed, and it closes with 290 lines. So let's run one by one. So this one is the first GPT-5 run with code. So I ran it and you can see this is the zone where you can drag drop things. Okay, and let's run it too. So it's taking time to load the GPT-4. I don't know why. So let's open terminal for this and let's see if it can found any bugs or not. So currently it's loading. So let's try the GPT-5. So drag and drop anything so it can preview. So add files, text, everything you can stop over there. So file, for that we can drag any image like that. So yeah, you can see it's previewing the file, and this is quite good but not as described in the launch video. And we'll be also add a text. Okay, so it's editable text. You can write over there anything you like. You can close it. Closing is not working, so you can clear. It's not working too. You can also import the JSON if you like. So this is a normalized thing, and this is working on GPT-5, but it does not mean that GPT-5 is perfect, because there are some more issues, like you have to again and again put the comments like other lovable or application to repair this, and I'm stopping. And this is the problem with the GPT-4. I don't know why. So let's see. Let's load this project again and let's see if it's running this code right now. Not yet. So I'll be providing some adjustment for this. So the code is failed to load in canvas. So fix it and rerun. So I have provided the iteration for this GPT-4, and I'll be also giving the some iteration to GPT-5. Change the UI completely, make simple, minimal design, not so much overlay buttons. Okay, buttons. Okay, uh, clean it. Okay, also fix buttons that not working well, and for all the medias make sure close option also work. So I have provided one thing and it's rewriting the code, you can see. So now let's try the GPT-4. Still you can see GPT-4 is not running, and you can see the console also empty. So I don't think it's any problem. So it say the drag drop is working, but we haven't seen any improvement on this. So as you can see, right side GPT-4 is failed to compile, but GPT-5 already compiled and previewed. So we have updated the code, and let's see now this line is decreases to 57. So let's run this code and see. This is completely empty that we have added the prompt. And for the media, we have added this. So you can see it's similar canvas, but I thought the previous one was more exciting with the UI system. Okay. So now let's try the second application or the second prompt that we have had. So this is the dithering. So I drag drop over there, also drag drop over there. I just simply this time from that read the text. That's it. Okay. Read the text. But this also read the text. And now send it both side by side. So start building this app in Canvas. Make sure run with code is working. So I'll be giving the same thing. So both working on their own purposes, and let's see for now if it can build that or not. GPT-5 is minimum, it's slow, but GPT-4 is running well also, you can see. Both are quite good, and both try to complete the application as soon as possible. So the dethroning app basically kind of a effects app for the image I have already made. So I will also give you the example what dethroning app actually do what the work. So let's run this code for the GPT-4, and as well you can see the GPT-4 is failed to compile on canvas. So we need to put that code to the VS code or something to run it. So we will copy this one and we will try that on HTML. So we will open VS code over there. So we will create a new file, the text file, and paste, and we will simply rename this file when we will save to our desktop. Basically rename like dether.html and save it. Okay, we have saved the application. So let's first try it on GPT-5. Let's see. So you can see it created the UI. So let's now choose a file, and again selecting my file, and check if it's working or not. As you can see, previewing is not working and things are not working. Output is blank. So let's give some fixing for this program also. So fix the code so it can preview image and changes that have been applied on a particular image. Okay, just simply like that. So it will read right. So we have HTML code already that we have saved. So open this thing. So you have plenty of files. So this one is created on GPT-4. So let's pick a file over there. You can see GPT-4 is working very well and almost for the first result, it gives you things. So you can only change to one option as it is available for one monochromatic dithering tool. So this is not a dithering completely. So I think it's fixes right now. Yeah, it's now working. You can see you can do something like that. Loaded almost all algorithms that have been used for dithering, and you can see these are the effects. You can easily save over there, and it will download that. So what is a dithering tool? I'm giving you the example right now. The same thing does by the GPT-5 previously. So you can change to any preset you like. So it will simply overlay the effects, and you can also control over there like contrast, brightness over there. You can also download the tool directly from here if you have the perfect recommendation. Okay. So that's all for this video. I hope you have understood the comparison between the GPT-5 and GPT-4. Um, GPT-5 need to work more, pay for. This is not a sponsored video also. So GPT-4 is working really nice, but not that good also. GPT-5 is fast reliable because I have already shown you my result of dithering, and if you want to compare both versions, so it's uh, compared to the same. Okay, so GPT-5 this time on basically, but GPT-4 also doing great job. So without any iteration, it has some a little more left or right, but you can easily fix that with the more iteration. So you don't have to pay for GPT-5 if you want to stay on GPT-4. But if you want more fastest response, so GPT-5 is the option. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And this is the GPT-5 you can check out. This is also available for the free tier option. You can also update to the Get Plus for more professional and also get the new codex feature. Stay tuned for new videos.